to extract day, month, and year from the dates in two methods. Let's see. We'll go with the first method. We have a dates here. I want to extract day, month, and year. Here we'll use as a text function. Let's see. Type equals to text. Select the date, double quotes. Type 4 times D, double quotes, close the bracket, enter, and drag it to the down. Again equals to text. Select the date, double quotes, M, double quotes, close the bracket, enter. 4 times M, close the bracket, enter. Now drag it to the down. Now again type text. Select the date, double quotes, 4 times Y, double quotes, close the bracket, enter. Now drag it to the down. Here we have a result of which extract the day, month, and year from the dates in first method by using a text function. In second method, we'll see how to extract day, month, and year from the dates. Just copy the dates and select into the day, month, and year. Just select the data of the day, press Ctrl 1, click on custom, type 4 times D, click on OK. Now again select the data of the month, press Ctrl 1, click on custom, 4 times M, OK. Now again select the data of year, press Ctrl 1, click on custom, 4 times Y, click on OK. That's it. Here we have a result of we extract the day, month, and year from the date in two methods. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.